Many users try Aiseesoft FoneLab for Android recovery, but it doesn't always work well. In this video, we'll show 6 better Android data recovery alternatives. Top 1 Aiseesoft FoneLab Android Data Recovery Alternative. Doctor for Android Expert. Among trusted utilities, MobiSaver Doctor for Android is often highlighted as a strong Aiseesoft FoneLab Android data recovery substitute due to its wide data type support and reliable scanning engines. So, how can I use the best alternative to Aiseesoft FoneLab Android data recovery? Install and open MobiSaver Doctor for Android, connect your phone via USB, and enable USB debugging. Choose the data types to recover. Follow the screen prompt to run a scan so the program can detect deleted and existing files on your device. Preview the scanned files and choose the items you want to restore. Click Recover and save the selected files to your computer. Top 2. FonePaw Android Data Recovery. For people who prefer an intuitive layout, FonePaw Android Data Recovery consistently shows up as a user-friendly Aiseesoft FoneLab Android Data Recovery alternative. Top 3. Dr.Fone Data Recovery Android. Within multi-tool software suites, Dr.Fone Data Recovery Android frequently functions as a practical Aiseesoft FoneLab Android data recovery replacement for those who want extra utilities in the same package. Top 4 EaseUS MobiSaver for Android. Those who prefer lighter applications often choose EaseUS MobiSaver for Android as a streamlined alternative to Aiseesoft FoneLab Android data recovery focused on essential file recovery. Top 5. FoneDog Android Data Recovery. People looking for simple guidance frequently rely on FoneDog Android Data Recovery as a straightforward Aiseesoft FoneLab Android data recovery alternative. A step-by-step interface walks users through connecting, scanning, and restoring data. Top 6. Remo Recover for Android. When corrupted storage or SD card failures occur, Remo Recover for Android can operate as a dependable mobile phone data recovery program. Deep scan technology works to identify missing or inaccessible files from damaged partitions,